As I have mentioned in several videos, measuring the impact of library services on students and faculty is very difficult. First, you have to decide what constitutes positive impact: grades, quantity of research, quality of work. And second, you need a way to measure the variable that isolates the impact of the library. As an example, if a library collects usernames of all the students who check out books in a semester, run a report on those students in aggregate looking at their GPA collectively and by college, compares those GPA to students who did not check out books, and finds the students who did check out books have a statistically significantly higher GPA, then does that mean checking out books makes one a better student? Or do better students check out books? How do you account for what books they checked out? Was it fun reading versus academic reading? How do you account for any help they received outside of the library, like tutoring or the writing center? Did they even read or use the books? These are all difficult questions to answer, and academic libraries have struggled mightily with them. Academic libraries have always been good at collecting usage data, so tick marks on a spreadsheet. They would use these numbers to prove worth, but they have two big problems. One is they're just numbers. Saying 10,000 people asked a reference question does not really say much. Is that number low or high? What is the saturation? The second problem is when the numbers go down, how do you continue to show your worth? Further, libraries often collect usage statistics and data on services and desks without any real idea as to how they plan to use them. Without a plan as to how to use them, they are going unused. Many academic libraries have done some good work on trying to assess how they positively impact academic success, but they have shortcomings like the ones mentioned above. Just because there are shortcomings does not mean libraries should not be trying to measure impact, but they need to perform multiple assessments, examine the same variable from several directions, and make use of various methods. Another way a library can show its impact is to be involved in much of what happens on campus. Often, an academic library is referred to as the heart of the university. Now, that can seem trite and like a cliche because it's used so much. A better way to approach the academic library is to make it the crossroads of the campus. Everything that happens on campus, from research to teaching to digitization, open access publishing, technology use, digital humanities, just to name a few, goes through the library. This means the library is a vital part of so much that happens on campus that proving its value, its worth to the campus community, and its impact is a no-brainer. Proving library impact is a hotly debated issue. Some argue we should not even try, while others argue we have to do something quickly or risk being out of business in a few years. And there are a whole host of other takes and opinions in between. Now we'll end this video on library impact here.